Attention, attention, everyone! I got a couple things I would like to get off of my chest. Haha! Friends! Who the fuck needs them? You know who you are!
Caught like a fly in a web of your lies. It's truth be told now, or it's meet your demise. So how did it feel when you held the knife that you stuck right in my back 1,000 times? Your grandfather would probably roll in his grave if he knew of that person that you had became. Oh, we'll not just lay out and take this. Not again.
Not again!
Oh, you have left my heart black and blue, just like your father did to you. How does it feel knowing you're buried alive? See through bloodshot eyes, your love's empty inside. Where I was, strung out and trod through the mud, I must agree, you're just like me. And when you die, I won't be at your wake. No eulogy from me, just a smile on my face. And while God might be busy with judging